Today we're going to talk about different types of angles. Mostly vocabulary, but we also have a diagram with several angles together that we're going to talk about some of these through that diagram. So we're going to start with the basic four. We have acute, which is going to be less than a 90-degree angle. So less than 90 degrees. Okay. We've got an obtuse, which is going to be greater than 90 degrees. A right angle is exactly 90, so it equals 90 degrees. And with that being said, I'll give you a few different examples here of what it's going to look like. Your right angle is going to be almost a perfect L shape. And it'll be displayed by a rectangle in the corner. An obtuse angle is going to be wider than that 90. Okay, so instead of going from here up, it's going to go here past up to angled. And your acute is going to be smaller than your 90. A straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. Or in this case, we look at a straight angle as a straight line. So we've got a line that's running across. If it starts here, it opens up on 180 degrees. Complementary angles are two angles that equal 90 degrees. So you may have an angle that is 40 degrees and another angle that is 50 degrees. So if you were to look at those two, you may say that one is 40, this one is a little bigger, it's 50. So those two would be complementary because they total 90 degrees. You may also see a shape that looks like that. And that's close to a 40 and a 50, but you've got two different angles that are beside each other that total 90. So for supplementary, we've got two angles that total 180 degrees. So we may have a 60 degree and 120 degree, those total 180. So it may be somewhere around 60, somewhere around 120 to get your total of 180. Or the same thing, you may see a straight line with two different angles, the total 180. A linear pair, okay? Here's the difference between linear pair and supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. These two are also supplementary. But on a linear pair, they have to be on a line and they have to be side by side. So they're going to total 180, they're going to total 180 degrees, and the angles are going to be side by side. So while this one is a linear pair, it is also supplementary. Adjacent angles, those are